Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Empower Retirement 401k. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so we got two different withdrawal types. So we got the standard withdrawals and hardship withdrawals. So standard withdrawals are available once you reach age 59 and a half or upon separation from your employer. These withdrawals are subject to ordinary income tax but exempt from the 10% early withdrawal penalty. Number two here, hardship withdrawal. So these are permitted under specific circumstances such as unreimbursed medical expenses exceeding 7.5% of your adjusted gross income, purchase of primary residence, tuition unrelated education fees, payments to prevent eviction or foreclosure, funeral expenses, and certain repairs to your principal residence. These withdrawals are subject to ordinary income tax and may incur a 10% early withdrawal penalty unless an exemption applies. And we've got a few other withdrawal options as well. So loans, Empower may allow you to borrow up to 50,000 or 50% of your vested account balance, whichever is less. Loans must be typically be repaid within 5 years with interest. Failure to repay may result in taxes and penalties. And also required minimum distribution. So starting at age 73, you're required to begin taking minimum distribution annually. The amount is calculated based on your account balance and life expectancy. Alright, so how to request a withdrawal. We've got two different ways here, online and paper form. So we can log into your Empower Retirement account dashboard. So to find that, go to Google, type in Empowered Retirement Login, click on where it says user login. Alright, so once you're here, you want to go ahead and log in. So where it says participant login, put in username and password. Then once you're inside, navigate to the withdrawal section, select the type of withdrawal, then enter the amount and follow the prompts to complete the request. And now if you're doing a paper form for certain withdrawals, such as those requiring spousal consent, you may need to complete and submit a distribution request form. Spousal consent must be notarized. And now we're going to get the payment method. So we've got three different ways. So we've got direct deposit, so funds are electronically transferred to your bank account. You can get it mailed by a check, so a check is sent to your address on file. Expedited delivery may be available for an additional fee. We also got direct rollover, so you transfer funds directly to another qualified retirement plan or IRA to defer taxes. Now, talking about taxes, these are the tax implications. So federal taxes, a mandatory 20% federal withholding applies to most withdrawals. Early withdrawal penalty, so an additional 10% penalty may be applied if you're under the age of 59 and a half, unless an exception is met. State taxes, so state income tax withholding may also apply depending on your state of residence. Required forms to elect different tax withholdings, you may need to submit a corresponding W-4 form. And now, withdrawals requests are typically processed within 1 to 5 business days, depending on the method of distribution and whenever all required documents are in order.